Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize study groups with Zoom, full guide step-by-step. Start by defining the purpose of your study group. Gather your group members and discuss your common goals. Choose a regular meeting time that works for everyone. Select the right Zoom plan based on your group size and needs. Create a dedicated Zoom account for the study group. Schedule your first meeting and send invitations to all members. Prepare an agenda for each meeting to stay focused. Share relevant materials in advance using a shared drive or email. Establish ground rules for participation and communication. Encourage all members to keep their cameras on to enhance engagement. Utilize Zoom's breakout rooms for smaller group discussions if needed. Assign roles within the group, such as a facilitator and a note-taker. Incorporate interactive tools like polls and whiteboards during sessions. Keep meetings concise to maintain attention and effectiveness. Record sessions for members who cannot attend live. Solicit feedback after each meeting to improve future sessions. Encourage members to take responsibility for specific topics or presentations. Maintain a positive and supportive atmosphere throughout meetings. Use the chat feature for quick questions and relevant links. Continuously evaluate and adjust your study group's structure as needed. Celebrate your group's achievements to keep motivation high. Stay connected outside of meetings through group chats or forums. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.